It is Saturday, January 15th already. It's noon. And on top of the fresh snow, we have a fresh unrolled bale. What a gorgeous day. It's like 9 degrees, but when you've got two things going for you, one is the sun, and the second is barely a breeze. A little bit different story yesterday. Blowing out of the north pretty hard, pretty good at times with snow, 4 to 5 inches somewhere in there. It's hard to tell. Some spots were bare and some spots had 2 feet. So with the drifts, but it was about 4 to 5 inches, and it makes for a nice covering of everything, so you can kind of unroll back over everything again. Cattle are happy. They look fat and furry, and this hay is really good. This is actually baleage hay. Wrapped it when it was supposed to be wet, but we had such a dry year. We cut it and baled it the next day. They did, I believe. And usually that'll be pretty wet hay around here, but the result is still really good stuff that they like. Doing well on. Horse is a little different hay. They got true dry hay. Sawyer thought he'd just lay down in the middle of it and eat while he's laying down. That's pretty smart. It's not a bad thing to do on a nice midwinter sunny day in Minnesota. A lot of times when I unroll this hay, they'll roll in it like it's some fresh bedding or something, which, I'm trying to mimic what they're doing out in the summertime as much as possible. I'm gonna spread out that thicker stuff. Those ones are, especially when it's this dry, this hay will kind of unroll thick right away. There's not much you can do about it. It's just so heavy, and it just kind of sloughs off, which is all right. I just kind of spread it kind of left and to the right, and then it won't. It's hard to tell after they're done where they've been, other than where their manure was. But beautiful day. No flies, no bugs, warm weather, warm feeling, especially for them with all their hair. And but tomorrow, a little too warm, 34 it's supposed to be. Get a little bit of melting, but not much.